lonely coconut tree. Once upon a time, in a small village by the sea, there was a tall and proud coconut tree standing all alone on a sandy beach. The tree could see other trees far away in the village, growing together in groups. They seemed happy, laughing and talking to each other as the wind blew through their leaves. The coconut tree felt very lonely. Why I am all alone here, it often wondered. If only I had other trees around me, I could be happy too. One day, a little sparrow came to rest on its branch. The tree singed and said, "Sparrow, don't you think it is unfair that I have to spend here all alone?" The sparrow crept and replied, "But you are very special because you are here. Travelers and villagers came rest under your shade. Your coconuts provide them with food and water. You are a blessing to everyone." The tree thought about what the sparrow said and started noticing its surroundings. It saw children playing under its shade, fishermen trying their net beneath it, and travelers enjoying the sweet coconut water. Slowly, the tree realized that even though it was alone, it was important to many people. From that day on, the coconut tree stood tall with pride and no longer felt lonely. It understood that being useful and kind to others brought true happiness. Moral of the story: you may feel alone at times, but your uniqueness and kindness can make a big difference to others. Always find joy in helping and serving those around you. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.